Hello kids, let's learn building names. This is a house. This is a post office. This is a hospital. This is a school. This is a police station. This is a bank. This is a hotel. This is a fire station. This is a factory. This is a castle. This is a gym. This is a movie theater. This is a museum. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.